Assalamualaikum friends, how are you? Today we are going to make Indian sweet Chikki. So let's begin. I love to call Chikki on bar under the bar. For Chikki we need jaggery powder. Place the jaggery powder in the pan and some water. Turn the flame on. Start cooking. Stir the mixture This chicken is so special because we are adding cashew and almonds. Meanwhile, you have to roast the nuts. Grind them roughly. If the mixture is ready, add the nuts. Grease the tray with the butter. Pour the Chikki on the tray. Let it cool down completely. Cut it in the square pieces until the Chikki is ready. If you like the video, share and subscribe.